Hello everyone, welcome to IES Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is India Fiji to enhance knowledge sharing and research collaboration in agriculture. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan held a bilateral meeting with Thomasi Tunabuna, Minister of Agriculture and Waterways of Fiji, today at Krishi Bhavan, New Delhi. Both the sides discussed ongoing cooperation and outlined future areas of collaboration. Minister highlighted that India enjoys historical relations with Fiji, which is growing further on mutual respect, cooperation, and strong cultural and people-to-people ties. He further underscored that both countries recognize the significance of agriculture and food security as key areas for bilateral cooperation. Both ministers held a fruitful discussion on a broad range of issues of mutual interest. The two sides agreed to extend the Memorandum of Understanding, which is MOU, for a further 5 years and to establish a joint working group JWC to advance cooperation. In addition to this, the key areas of collaboration discussed included students exchange, training and capacity building programs, and technology sharing covering small scale machinery and digital agricultural tools. The discussions also focused on strengthening research infrastructure, genetic exchange initiatives, and knowledge sharing on reducing food loss and waste. In addition to the agriculture minister, the Fijian delegation comprised Thomasi Tunabuna, Minister of Agriculture and Waterways of Fiji, Charanjit Singh, Minister of Multi-Ethnic Affairs and the Sugar Industry, and many more. The next topic for the day is CAQM issues closure directions to 16 industrial units in NCR over gross violations. The Commission for Air Quality Management in NCR and adjoining areas CAQM on Friday issued closure directions to 16 industrial units located across the National Capital Region, which is NCR, National Capital Region, after detailed inspections revealed gross and persistent violations. These inspections were carried out as part of the Commission's continuous and intensified enforcement drive to curb air pollution and ensure strict compliance with statutory directions. Of the 16 industrial units, one is located in Uttar Pradesh NCR, one is Rajasthan NCR, and the remaining 14 units are in Sonipat district of Haryana. The inspections revealed a range of serious environmental violations, including establishments and operation without obtaining mandatory consent to establish and consent to operate, as mandated under extant status, non-installation or non-functioning of air pollution control devices, use of unapproved fuels, operation of units during restricted periods under GRAP, non-compliance of diesel generator sets with prescribed norms, and visible smoke and emissions from industrial processes. In several cases, units were found operating in blunt disagreed of extant status, statutory directions and environmental norms. CAQM has taken a serious view of these lapses and has directed the immediate closure of the defaulting units until requisite compliance with extant statuses and statutory directions is attained. The Commission reiterates that non-compliance will not be tolerated and that strict enforcement actions, including closure and other penal actions as per law, shall continue against defaulting industrial units. All industries operating in the NCR are once again urged to strictly adhere to prescribed environmental norms, ensure proper installation and operation of APCDs, and ensure compliance at all times. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.